to Thursday Cooking with Kevin, or if you're a new subscriber, welcome to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we're going to do a honey teriyaki chicken in the pressure cooker. I don't know, Kelly found this on the internet somewhere. She finds a lot of the recipes there. So what we're going to do, we're just heating up our pressure cooker right now because we're going to use this to brown the chicken first. Once I get the chicken started to brown, we'll make the sauce. Oh. And we are using 6 chicken thighs. Now, well, I actually got 7 in here, so. And that's okay. Just gonna put that in there. Let them brown. I'll turn them here very shortly. But in the meantime, we are gonna do our sauce. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1. I do not have canola oil, but I'm going to use olive oil. So 2 tablespoons of oil of your choosing. Two tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. 2 cloves of minced garlic. We use the pre-minced garlic. Do 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. I'm just gonna give my chicken a flip here. And 1/2 cup of, it says low sodium soy sauce, but we just use soy sauce. smells good. I've never done a homemade teriyaki sauce before, so. Now, one thing I don't have to top it with, I do have the sesame seeds, but I don't have any green onions. I thought I did, and I went to the store and got the rice vinegar and didn't get green onions. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna add in our sauce. We're gonna throw our on. We're going to cook this on the poultry setting for 20 minutes. Then we're going to turn the pot off, and then we're going to let the pot naturally depressurize on its own. And they say it takes about 5 minutes. So here we go. We're going to go poultry, and we're going to do that for, I don't know why I can't adjust this. I guess it doesn't like me trying to adjust. Oh, manual, that's why. Oh, doesn't like that either. Well, somebody didn't tell my Kasori pressure cooker that it needs to be 20 minutes. Yeah, I can't. I can choose 8 or 25. Well, 25 it is. Alright, there we go. We have to choose 25 because 20 obviously is not an option for me on poultry setting. Okay, that's it, folks. When it's ready, plated, we'll bring you back for the taste test. Okay, our chicken is done. Smells okay. Oops. Sauce doesn't really thick up. I'm a little disappointed with that because it should have with cornstarch. But it is what it is, right? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. Okay. We will see you over at the table. Okay. Oh, there's none for you, buddy. It's not chicken you can have. And it smells good. I'll be honest, I'm disappointed because the sauce did not thicken up.
Smells good though.
Yeah.
No?
No.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't take like I can't even talk. Doesn't even taste like teriyaki. Not even close.
All right. Well.
Yeah.
Is it good though?
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get me wrong. It has a nice flavor.
Yeah.
But to be advertised as honey chicken teriyaki, I am sorry, it is not.
Yeah, it's fun.
I don't know, I guess you should get different taste.
Yeah, very well.
It's not horrible.
Nope.
I guess there's teriyaki can be either not bland, but sometimes it can be a little sweet.
Mm-hmm.
This is not. Well, I think that's what honey is supposed to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, it still tastes good.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, folks. Thanks for joining me this week for the, what is it, honey teriyaki. Yeah. So, as I end it every week, I do not know what I'm cooking, and I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Have a great week, folks.